Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your AirPods and iPhone use the same Apple ID. This is essential for location sharing. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on and Find My is enabled in settings right arrow Apple ID, right arrow Find My. Now open the Find My app and tap the Devices tab to locate AirPods in the list. You're initiating the connection and requesting location data. This allows the iPhone to, with the AirPods selected, you'll see a map and a last seen time. This tells you where they were last connected. If the map shows nearby, tap play sound to have the AirPods emit tones. This helps you home in quickly. If they are farther away, choose directions to get turn-by-turn navigation to the last known spot. Make sure to check left versus right battery and connection status so you know if both cases or one bud are locatable. Once you have a location, follow directions or repeat play sound until you retrieve the AirPods. Persistence pays off in crowded places. If they appear offline, note the last seen location and search that vicinity physically because offline means no live signal. As a key troubleshooting tip, try resetting the AirPods or signing out and back into your Apple ID on the iPhone. This often restores visibility when pairing or Find My syncing has glitched. If issues persist, test with another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.